Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Apex Investor, our daily update for Friday, September the 3rd. Our top loser today is FBRX, negative 82% today. IPHA is the big winner at 47% gain. Okay, so welcome back. Looking at what the internet calls meme stocks, I refer to them as trending stocks, and I believe these are the best of the trending stocks. Let's look at what's going on here. Who's moving? Sava is down 7%. I'm looking for 10% and above. Metamaterials actually, they finished on a green day for a Friday, which is rare. Usually Friday, we see a sell-off for most stocks. So you can see most of the market is in the negative. XOS is up 10% at 776. We have load up at 8%. And Bitcoin is very close to 50,000. And besides that, Naked is down 7%. And AMC is at $44. GME is at 202. So just going to look more in depth into metamaterials, how their day went. They're at $5.50. So they added another 2%. It was looking like they might have went to $6 today. Oh, they did. They went to $6.42 today. Wow. So we hit $6, above $6 today. The volume was 84 million. Wow. So I think we saw a surge today and then a bit of a sell-off, or perhaps you could say short laddering. Shorts, just doing what they do, shorting the stock to keep it down. Otherwise, they have to. They're going to be in a lot of trouble. So let's look at this action today. Once this loads, oh, there it is. Okay, so we started the day off pretty high at 640, and then it leveled off down to 523, and then it made a bit of a rally at 550, and eventually ended up at 550. So if we look at actually, let's look at the last week. We can see, it was at 415. Even just a couple weeks ago, it was at 280, $3, 280 for the longest time. We just could not get over that $4 hump there. Pretty much since July 12th, we've been under $4. We finally broken through. It took us almost 2 months just to get there, and here we are. It doesn't look like we're looking back or going back to $4 in the short term. The last 5 days we've been over $4. We haven't dipped below 415 was the lowest point in the last trading session, or the last trading the week, the week of trading. So it looks like we might not be going back. Maybe $4 could be support. Maybe $3.50 to $4 could be short-term support, but let's watch and wait. So moving on. Okay, I wanted to go over this tweet from August 21st. This is a very cryptic tweet. It's one of the few actual tweets from George that isn't an article or a retweet, and it refers to something I think is very significant. He's saying there comes a time in every life when the past recedes and the future opens. It's that moment when you turn to face the unknown. Some will turn back to what they already know. Some will walk straight ahead into uncertainty. I can't tell you which one is right, but I can tell you which one is more fun. So I think this is alluding to a potential deal. Someone is saying, is he at the Stanford Night Management Center? Could be that. There are so many possibilities here, but I really feel that the levee is going to break once George announces this deal they have in the works, or maybe already been done. It's just not officially announced yet. Okay, welcome back. On Wall Street Bets, I don't usually go over their posts, but this one caught my attention. It's talking about the top trending tickers on Wall Street Bets and why they're trending. So looking through this list, we see Clover. Today is day 169 of Clover bag holders waiting for another short squeeze. I'm sure you can find someone saying why Clover should be $50 a share somewhere in the comments. GameStop, you know the drill. Baba, Alibaba, the little dipper that became the big dipper. Baba stock could be primed for a bounce after losing 40% in value in just several months. Wall Street Bets has done their analysis on the stock and are finally waiting for a trend to the upside. I think patience will prove them correct in that instance. Actually, for most of these, Sophie has recently been minted as a favorite stock on Wall Street Bets. Everyone is waiting for this ticker to get back to its glory in the $20, but so far it has only been full of disappointment. DocU gaining popularity in Wall Street Bets today since the stock is up 5%, finally broke out of the $300 range, could potentially continue the run up. And I don't see metamaterials here. Again, I think it is the best kept secret of Wall Street Bets. Okay, so that's all for that post. Okay, welcome back. Just two posts here in metamaterials. It says it's called slamming the door, except they are forced to do it early. This market manipulation technique is well known. It's called slamming the door shut. You wait until Friday near the end of the day, particularly when a long weekend happens, and you sell large amounts, or you short it like crazy at the end of the day. This drives the price down dramatically, and people see a low price all weekend and the Monday holiday for 3-day weekends, and they get disheartened and they sell the next trading day. The market manipulators then cover and buy on the dip. That's how it's supposed to work. But on Thursday, we got lots of buying pressure. In the after hours, the price went up more and still more when Germany opened. So they knew if they did not push the price down in the morning, they would not be able to push it down just before close as people were piling in. So they did the only thing they could do, slam it in the morning to prevent people from buying massively on Tuesday. And that did not have the intended effect. So we're going to see this reach higher highs, actually not higher highs, but it continue on a positive trend for the next week, beginning on Tuesday. Ortex data as of 8:52, the price is wrong, hold. All that volume and it's down. Yeah. Yep, this is being shorted massively, but you can't keep the flood back. The levee is going to break eventually under all this buying pressure, and eventually when the dividend is given out and news catalysts are just being released left and right. So thank you very much for your time. Have a great weekend, great long weekend. I'll see you on Tuesday. God bless you all, and God bless your investments.